What's going on, everyone? I'm Jason for WTI. Do you live in an area that gets a lot of rain like I do? If so, then you have got to have a good rain suit. The one I'm wearing here is by TEELINK, and it has got to be one of the best rain suits that I've ever had. Let me tell you some of the cool things that I like about it and some of the features I know you would like too. The front main zipper zips up nice and watertight. It also has a rear flap to help prevent any water from penetrating the suit. The side pockets also have a similar detail on it, preventing water from getting in these nice deep pockets. There's also a grippy material incorporated in the lower edge of the jacket, helping your jacket to stay put around your waist. The hoodie is fully adjustable too, with the front cords that help cinch it down around your face. Also on the back top, there's a Velcro strap that helps to pull down the slack, giving you a nice tight waterproof seal. Also at the bottom of the pants there are adjustments so that you can tighten it around your ankles, and also straps at the wrists to prevent water from getting in. Well, alrighty, there you have it. If you're looking for a new rain suit, both the coat and the pants as well, look no further than the TEELINK men's rain suit. This thing is great. It's compact. It stores in a nice little pouch. You can keep it anywhere. It's waterproof and it's washable. So if you're looking for yourself a new rain suit, I would definitely check out this. I would highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.